So hey guys, welcome back to Tech Wonders. Today in this video I'll be telling you how to backup your phone's data using the Migrate app. So before we get on with the video, a big disclaimer: for this method to work, you should be having a rooted phone with a custom recovery such as TWRP or Orange Fox installed. So first of all, open up the Play Store, then search for Migrate app and then click on install. Wait for the app to install. After it's finished installing, open up the app and click on close. Then you can click on backup. And now you should grant the necessary permissions. Then you can go back into the app, click on backup again, select the app you want to backup and then click next. So you can also backup your messages, call history and your contacts. I won't be backing up my contacts since it's already backed up to my Google account. Then click on start and select backup location and you can click OK and it will start calculating the memory required. And finally it will start backing up your data. So after the backup is complete, click on OK and then reboot the system into recovery. So now I'll be wiping the data and installing a new ROM. After the ROM has finished installing, I'll flash Magisk module to get root access to my device. So you must have a rooted phone for this method to work. And if you are moving from one custom ROM to another, you should flash Magisk first before flashing the data. So finally the ROM has finished installing. Now I'll go into my backup folder and select the data that I need to restore. So in my case, the entire data is divided into 4 zip files and I'll be flashing them one after the other. The order that you flash the zip files does not matter. The only thing that actually matters in this case is that you flash all the files. So after we finish flashing the zip files, click on reboot system. So now the reboot is complete and I have finished setting up my device. And now let us restore the apps and other data. First of all, before restoring the data, you need to install the full version of Magisk app. For that, open the app and click on OK. Then it will automatically download and install the app. Now you can open the Magisk Manager and grant the necessary permission and click OK. Now the phone will reboot. So after the reboot, just open Magisk Manager app. After opening the Migrate app, click Restore and grant the root permission. After that, select what all data you need to restore. I'll be restoring all my apps, messages and my call history. And then again click Restore. In the pop-up, click Go Ahead. Then click on Install. And then finally select the Migrate add-on as the default messaging app. Now the app will start restoring your data. It will take a while depending on the amount of data. After it's finished, you can click on Finalize, then change the default messaging app to one you prefer, and finally check whether the following options are selected or not. And you can click Finish. So now the phone will reboot, and after the reboot you can check all the restored data. I'll just open up some apps to show that my data has been restored successfully. So as you can see, all my messages has been restored. Now opening up Amazon, it works fine. Now opening Ghana, it also works good. And finally Prime Video. So guys, all my data has been successfully restored. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next.